Welcome to our exploration of how to promote a positive learning environment in technology classrooms. In today's fast-paced digital world, creating a supportive and engaging atmosphere is more important than ever. A positive environment not only boosts student motivation, but also enhances creativity and collaboration. Throughout this video, we'll uncover practical strategies, real-life examples, and actionable tips to help educators and students thrive together. Let's embark on this journey to transform technology learning spaces into hubs of encouragement, growth, and innovation. Positive learning environment is the foundation for student success, especially in technology education. When students feel safe, respected, and valued, they are more likely to participate actively and take intellectual risks. This sense of belonging encourages curiosity and resilience, which are essential for mastering new technologies. By focusing on the environment, educators can help students overcome challenges and develop a lifelong love for learning. Let's see how the right atmosphere can make all the difference in technology classrooms. One of the first steps in building a positive tech classroom is setting clear expectations. When students understand what is expected of them, both academically and behaviorally, they can focus more on learning and less on uncertainty. Clear guidelines help prevent misunderstandings and create a sense of structure. Teachers can involve students in creating classroom rules, making them feel invested in the learning process. This collaborative approach fosters respect and accountability, laying the groundwork for a supportive environment. Collaboration is at the heart of technology education. By encouraging students to work together on projects and problem-solving activities, teachers can build a sense of community and shared purpose. Group work allows students to learn from each other's strengths and perspectives, fostering empathy and communication skills. When collaboration is valued, students become more open to feedback and more willing to help their peers succeed. This cooperative spirit is essential for a positive and productive tech classroom. Truly positive learning environment is one where every student feels included. In technology classrooms, this means recognizing and celebrating diversity in all its forms. Teachers can make a difference by using inclusive language, providing accessible materials, and ensuring that all voices are heard. By addressing different learning styles and backgrounds, educators help students feel valued and understood. Inclusivity not only enriches the learning experience but also prepares students for diverse workplaces in the future. Trust is a cornerstone of any positive classroom environment. In technology education, where experimentation and innovation are encouraged, students need to feel safe to make mistakes and ask questions. Teachers can build trust by being approachable, listening actively, and responding with empathy. When students trust their educators, they are more likely to engage deeply with the material and take creative risks. This trust leads to a more dynamic and resilient learning community. Feedback is a powerful tool for growth, especially in technology learning. Constructive feedback helps students understand their strengths and areas for improvement without discouraging them. Teachers should focus on specific, actionable suggestions and celebrate progress, no matter how small. By framing feedback positively, educators can motivate students to keep trying and refining their skills. This approach not only boosts confidence but also encourages a growth mindset. Connecting classroom learning to real-world applications makes technology education more meaningful and engaging. By integrating projects that solve actual problems or simulate real-life scenarios, teachers can spark student interest and creativity. These projects encourage critical thinking and allow students to see the impact of their work beyond the classroom. Real-world relevance helps students understand the value of technology skills and motivates them to pursue further learning. Curiosity drives innovation, and asking questions is a vital part of learning technology. Teachers should create an environment where students feel comfortable voicing their thoughts and uncertainties. By welcoming all questions, big or small, educators show that inquiry is valued. This openness not only clarifies concepts but also inspires deeper exploration. When students see that their questions are respected, they become more confident and engaged learners. Recognizing student achievements, both big and small, is essential for maintaining motivation and positivity. In technology classrooms, this could mean showcasing completed projects, awarding certificates, or simply giving verbal praise. Celebrations help students feel proud of their efforts and encourage them to set new goals. By highlighting progress, teachers reinforce the idea that learning is a journey, and every step forward is worth acknowledging. Physical layout of a technology classroom can greatly influence the learning atmosphere. Flexible seating arrangements, accessible technology, and organized workstations make it easier for students to collaborate and focus. Teachers can involve students in designing the space, ensuring it meets their needs and preferences. A well-designed environment supports different learning styles and fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility among students. Technology education, mistakes are not failures, they are opportunities to learn and grow. Teachers should encourage students to view errors as valuable feedback rather than setbacks. By normalizing mistakes and discussing them openly, educators help students develop resilience and problem-solving skills. This approach reduces anxiety and fosters a culture of experimentation, where innovation can truly flourish. Teaching students to use technology responsibly is a key part of a positive learning environment. This includes understanding digital citizenship, respecting privacy, and practicing safe online behavior. By modeling responsible use and discussing ethical issues, teachers prepare students for the challenges of the digital world. Responsible technology use builds trust and ensures that the classroom remains a safe and productive space for everyone. Peer support can be a powerful motivator in technology classrooms. When students help each other, they reinforce their own understanding and build strong relationships. Teachers can facilitate peer mentoring, group discussions, and collaborative troubleshooting sessions. This not only lightens the teacher's load but also empowers students to take ownership of their learning. A culture of support and cooperation benefits everyone in the classroom. Personalizing learning by incorporating student interests makes technology education more engaging and relevant. Teachers can survey students about their hobbies, favorite technologies, or career aspirations, then tailor projects and lessons accordingly. When students see their interests reflected in the curriculum, they are more motivated to participate and excel. This approach also helps educators connect with students on a deeper level. Conflicts can arise in any classroom, but handling them positively is crucial for maintaining a supportive environment. Teachers should address issues promptly and fairly, encouraging open communication and mutual respect. By teaching conflict resolution skills, educators help students navigate disagreements constructively. This not only resolves immediate issues, but also equips students with valuable life skills for future teamwork. Every student learns differently, and technology classrooms should accommodate a variety of learning styles. Teachers can use a mix of visual, auditory, and hands-on activities to reach all learners. Providing choices in how students demonstrate their understanding also increases engagement. By recognizing and supporting individual needs, educators create a more inclusive and effective learning environment. Reflection is an important part of the learning process. By encouraging students to think about what they've learned, what challenges they faced, and how they overcame them, teachers help students develop self-awareness and critical thinking skills. Reflection activities can include journals, group discussions, or digital portfolios. This practice helps students internalize their learning and set goals for future growth. Open communication between teachers and students is essential for a positive learning environment. Regular check-ins, feedback sessions, and open-door policies help students feel heard and supported. Teachers should encourage students to share their thoughts, concerns, and ideas freely. This ongoing dialogue builds trust and ensures that any issues are addressed before they become major obstacles. Technology is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends is important for both teachers and students. Educators can attend workshops, join professional networks, and encourage students to explore new tools and platforms. By embracing change and continuous learning, the classroom remains dynamic and relevant. This adaptability prepares students for the ever-changing world of technology. Promoting a positive learning environment in technology classrooms is an ongoing process that requires dedication, creativity, and empathy. By implementing these strategies, educators can inspire students to reach their full potential and prepare them for success in the digital age. Remember, a supportive atmosphere not only enhances academic achievement, but also fosters lifelong skills like collaboration, resilience, and innovation. Let's continue working together to build technology classrooms where every student can thrive.